The original sway bar in these all-wheel drives, most of them were hollow, and they tend to break right in this area here. And mine was broken, of course, so I decided to replace it. Really wasn't too bad. I did drop the idler arms out of the way so I could get to these bolts here. This part right here, I just sawzalled it right through the old one and hammered them out the bottom. The old bolt went from the top down, but there was no way I could get it to go together that way no matter what I did. So I ran it from the bottom up, and I'm going to put a lock nut on here, a nylon lock nut, so the top isn't sharp or anything. I fed it through from the passenger side. It really wasn't too hard to feed through, although I did drop this on the other side as well. If you have any trouble getting this linkage lined up, just put the jack on the other side once you get the first one on, and you jack it up and down where the first one is, and that'll move it up and down on the side you're working on. I had a lot more trouble on the passenger side getting this together than I did in this side, and if you let go of it, it all falls out the bottom, of course, so expect that to happen a couple times. But other than that, it wasn't too bad, and I'm hoping it makes a difference.